Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 and a Starline tracker onto this particular vehicle. So we're just going to go quickly into the video of the Ghost, how it works. Basically, every time you leave the vehicle, it automatically immobilises itself. So it blocks the vehicle from starting. So if someone was to clone your key, jump in, try and start it, this is what would happen. Turn on the ignition, it wouldn't start, it would just cut out. Foot on, see, it won't start. Okay, so on here we've used something very, very simple. So every time you get in the vehicle, ignition on, no foot on the brake, hit your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, indicators flash twice, code is correct, foot on the brake, hit the start button, and vehicle starts. When you take the car for a service and you want to put it into valet mode, you don't want to disclose the code, this is also very simple. So again, ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, and to put it into valet mode, just hit the cancel button of the cruise control 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, indicators will flash 5 times. This is now in valet mode, so obviously every time you jump in the vehicle will start, no problem at all. When you turn off the ignition, leave it for 5 seconds, go to start it, you'll see it won't immobilise. So there you go, vehicle starts, no problem at all. When you get the vehicle back from the car wash or a service, to take it out of valet mode, ignition on, push sequence again, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, start your vehicle, straightforward. When I turn it off again, obviously it will immobilise. Also, you have the facility to change the code, so if someone was to see the code and you want to change it, this is also very simple. The way you do this on this particular vehicle is ignition on, push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, full beam back, then code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, indicator start to flash, let go of the full beam and select your code. So on this one here we can use the cruise controls up and down, we can use all these buttons here and a few more. So I'm just going to show you something simple. So if it's on the network and I can use that button, you basically hit the button 4 times, and as you hit it you get a flash each time, then it will pause, give you 3 flashes, say I like it, then repeat the same code again, give you 2 flashes, then stop and the new code will be learned. So I'll do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 flashes, repeat the same new code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, code learnt. So ignition off, ignition on, let's try the old code, 1, 2, 3, 4, obviously didn't work, so ignition off, ignition on, new push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, foot on the brake, start your vehicle. Really straightforward. Also, it comes with a card there, and on the back of it there's a 4-digit PIN code. So should you forget the code, there is a procedure using that code, how to disarm it, put it into learn mode and teach it a new code. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.